If you're on a journey to track your food intake, you've probably heard about the BitePal app, but does it really deliver on its promise of making food tracking easy and effective? Let's dive into what this app has to offer and see if it's worth your time. BitePal is designed primarily for those looking to simplify their food tracking process. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and approachable, which is a huge plus for anyone who might feel overwhelmed by other tracking apps. You can easily log your meals, track your nutritional intake, and even set personal goals. One standout feature is its barcode scanner, which can save you time when inputting food items. The app also offers a variety of food options, making it easier to find what you're eating. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, it's not entirely clear how their database is sourced or updated, which might raise some questions for more detail-oriented users. Overall, it's aimed at casual users and those who want to maintain a healthier diet without getting bogged down by complexity. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the upside, the user-friendly design is a significant advantage, especially for beginners. The barcode scanner is a handy tool, and the app's goal-setting feature can help keep you motivated. On the flip side, there are a few concerns. Some users might find the food database lacking in variety or detail, which could be frustrating if you're tracking specific dietary needs. Additionally, I noticed there's not much information available about pricing or subscription models, which can be a red flag for potential buyers. Those who are serious about nutrition and require detailed tracking might find BitePal a bit limiting, while casual users just looking to keep an eye on their intake may find it quite beneficial. In conclusion, BitePal is a solid choice for those new to food tracking or anyone looking for a straightforward app. However, if you're after advanced features or a comprehensive database, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels worth trying, but just be aware of its limitations before diving in.